Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to talk about Slack notifications for schedule monitoring. This means that you can connect your Slack with Rapidi and then you can set up notifications so that you know when one of your schedules has failed. So whenever you have a failed schedule, then you can be notified via Slack and then you can see the full error message for that schedule and any other additional information. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you here the document, the article that we have. So this is meant to guide you through the process. But before you set up the Slack notifications, you have to make sure that your Slack workspace is connected to Rapidi. If it's not connected, then you have to go through this step first, and then you set up the notifications. In order to connect your Slack workspace with Rapidi, you need to be an admin. So make sure that you do this first and then you set up your notifications for your own schedules. Now, if we move to here to Rapidi, then you will log into Rapidi and click on this wrench icon here. As soon as you're on this page, you go to Schedule Monitor. The Schedule Monitor will look something like this. And this is where you would see all your schedules, right? So then you can see here all the fields, and then you'll see Slack channel. So this is the new option that you have here available, and you can add the Slack channel that you want. Now, in this case, for example, I want to set it up for one of the schedules. So I'll just click on edit and then add the channel here. So this is my channel. I will click on the green check mark, and then you will get this confirmation message. So then from starting with this moment, then if there are any errors on this specific schedule, then I should be receiving the notifications via Slack. Now, if we go to Slack, so then we can see how this looks like. We're going to open this one and see it here. Okay, so if you look here, you'll see my own Slack, and this is the channel that I have created. So as you can see, the last message here says that Rapidi schedule monitor notifications have been enabled, right, for the schedule that you have seen previously. So moving forward, then you should be able to see any error messages incoming for this particular schedule. If you add more schedules to the list, then perfect. Then in this specific Slack channel, you should be seeing all the error messages linked to that. And then previously, I have enabled this for other schedules, as you can see here on top. So then you can have a history of that. And then if you scroll up, this is an example of an error message that you get from Rapidi, for example. So the schedule failed, and then I got this full error message, right? And then if I want to click on this link here, I can just go straight to my runs within Rapidi and see what the issue is. So this is a really good way to troubleshoot faster and then be notified directly into your Slack workspace. I think that's about it. We really hope that you will be using this new functionality, of course, if you are using Slack. However, this is a functionality that will be helpful for you to troubleshoot and be notified faster. That way you can see the full error message, or maybe other colleagues can monitor the Slack channel and take action accordingly. Thank you for watching and see you soon.